Hello, everyone! Today, I'm excited to share with you how to use this kitchen cabinet Revit family that I've designed. Let's break it down. Components of the kitchen cabinet family consist of several key components: base cabinets, and one for the corner end, drawer units, tall cabinets, wall cabinets, and others for the corner. Let's begin with the base cabinet, which is key to your design. Once you have a clear understanding of its parameters, you can confidently move on to the other components. Dimensions. You can adjust the height, width, depth, toe height, toe kick, and first drawer height. These modifications ensure the cabinet meets your design needs while maintaining efficiency and flexibility. Left and right side parameters. These define how cabinet sides attach to adjacent units, ensuring that the thickness is half of the frame size for accurate sections. Toe legs. To choose from toe bar to legs. You can adjust the thickness of the skeleton or the panel front from dimensions parameter. Cabinet parameter. The cabinet parameter allows you to set the design of the cabinet. A tooltip will assist you in selecting the appropriate integer that aligns with your design requirements. I strongly recommend matching the family type name with the cabinet integer for clarity and ease of use, as I will explain later. Panel options. You can customize the first drawer and lower panels by choosing between flat and shaker styles. Some panel designs also include hidden handles positioned on the top, bottom, or sides, making them ideal for modern kitchen aesthetics. Handle options. If you wish to change the handle style, such as switching a lower handle to a horizontal pull bar, you can adjust the parameters accordingly. Additionally, you can specify the handle placement, choosing to position it from the bottom or center to ensure it aligns perfectly with your design. Oh, you can also adjust rails and styles of the shaker panels to fit with your handle. Okay, perfect. If you need a sink cabinet, choose base cabinet type 8, which corresponds to cabinet integer 8. Set the drawer style to 1 for a flat panel, as it will just have a drawer face set lower handle to 0. For the doors, use vertical hidden handles. Adjust the length and offset of the vertical hidden lower panel to fit your layout, achieving a streamlined appearance for a pulse handle. Let's create a different design with a hidden handle located at the bottom for drawers and at the top for doors. There's no need for attached handles, so set the handles parameter to 0. Additionally, here is the tooltip for the shelves parameter, which outlines the available options. Choose the one that best fits your design. To adjust the distance, go to the Dimensions section, and we can proceed from there. Now, a cabinet designed for the corner has the same parameters of a base cabinet, except for the depth 2 parameter, which defines the cabinet's depth on the opposite side. Drawer cabinet options. You can choose from 3 options: a cabinet with many drawers, 2 drawers, and only 1 drawer. Starting with the 2-drawer option, you can set the length of the first drawer in the Dimensions section. Now, let's proceed to create an office drawer storage cabinet. Having completed the modeling, let's now move on to fulfilling the information. We have tagging families for base, tall, and wall cabinets. These families read the dimensions of the drawers and doors, as well as the panel and handle types. The casework tag is used to read the height, width, and depth of the cabinets, and it can also read the family type and type mark if needed. I recommend linking the cabinet parameter integer to the family type name. Each tag family contains several types that correspond to the cabinet parameters. By matching the type name integer with the cabinet name integer, you can retrieve the correct data. Change the base corner end cabinet parameter to 2, then change the tag to type 2. Now you will have the correct data for the cabinet. Now let's discuss the tall cabinet, the storage, oven, microwave cabinet, and the utility cabinet. The storage oven microwave cabinet has specific dimensions and parameters, including 9 variations. So these variations can range from featuring 2 shelves for both the oven and microwave to 1 shelf for just the microwave. Additionally, there are various door options available, such as twin, single, or flip-up. Tooltips will also guide you through the options. Utilize the shelves parameter to meet your design requirements. The utility cabinets come in 2 types, one for brooms and another for storage. You can adjust all parameters as needed based on your requirements. When using the tall cabinet tag, ensure that the integer of the cabinet parameter matches the family type name of the tag. Utilize the cabinet and panel parameters as specified for the base cabinet. In some cases, a cabinet may have a free side, and it is advisable to maintain the same kitchen panel design. The front family is available to assist with this. Set the width and height to match the dimensions of the cabinet. Adjust the front panel style to match the lower panel style. Additionally, set the height of the first drawer to align with the cabinet panel feature. That works well, doesn't it? The wall cabinet has the same parameters as the rest of its group, including dimensions, cabinet, upper panel, and upper handle. A new parameter to note is the corner panel. Most freestanding side cabinets in kitchen design tend to feature glass or, at the very least, have the same design as the cabinet front. Glass and glass shaker panels can be used for this cabinet. Actually, these panels can also be applied to base and tall cabinets if necessary. Adjust the shelf parameters to better align with the design requirements. The final category in this group is the wall cabinet family for corner ends, which shares the same features as the regular wall cabinet. Assign depth for the side cabinet to the depth 2 parameter in the corner end. Utilize the wall cabinet annotation family tag to label these cabinets. I really think this family group is a great fit for you. They can help you with what you need and inspire you to create something truly special.